Today on Kitchen Nightmares. Nope, that's a different show. Karate Nightmares in the kitchen.
There. I think that's good.
You want to pick Chance? Do you want llamas or Scooby-Doo?
Scooby-Doo it is, okay. Brenda, come on. Oh no!
I got the shark.
Panda attack! Yeah! Hi, I'm Sensei Alexis, and welcome to Karate Chopped. On today's episode, we have a new kitchen helper. Did you win the pink and teal Sharky from last week? If not, you have a chance for another one. Dun, 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 dun. Gray and green. Gray and green Sharky. There we go. Gotta get the colors right. And the teeth. Comments on the YouTube video before midnight on Sunday. And this Sharky could be yours. Thank you for making it, Sensei Bernadette. You did a great job. She did my hat too. Doesn't it look cool? Oh yes, yes it does. Thank you, Sharky. I know. It looks really awesome. Yes. Today on Karate Chopped, we will be making Shrimp Scampi. Yikes. Ooh, you seem almost as fierce as my cat. My cat Mocha is very fond of shrimp. So if she smells it and I don't save her some, I'll be in big trouble. And that's usually when I get bit. So gotta save some for Mocha. We've got our ingredients laid out before us. So Sharky, let's tell them our ingredients.
For tonight's recipe, we need...
Kiai. 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. Kiai. 1 large clove of minced garlic. Kiai. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Kiai. 1 teaspoon of light butter. Kiai. 1 cup of zucchini noodles. Kiai. 4 ounces of healthy noodles. Kiai. 7 ounces of pre-cooked shrimp with the tails off. Kiai. A sprinkle of fresh parsley. Kiai.
That's all the ingredients! Let's get cooking!
Yay! I did it! I didn't drop you. Good job, Sharky. Thanks for your help with the ingredients. It wasn't nearly as dramatic as I was hoping because I had to turn so slow, but it was cool. Shrimp Scampi is a very quick recipe, and ours is going to be especially quick because we're using pre-cooked shrimp. They're already tasty. You could just eat them like this. It'd be delicious, but we're gonna make them tastier. Since shrimp is such a lean protein, you get 7 ounces in this recipe. It's very filling and very satisfying. Now, I have good news for you if you're a pasta fan. This is Healthy Noodle. And Healthy Noodle is, we found this one at Costco, and I believe they sell it in a couple other places. Gluten-free, fat-free, sugar-free noodle substitute. But the good news is, this one tastes like noodles. This has soybean fiber as its main ingredient, other than water. Water comes first because water. But the soybean fiber gives it a really, really good noodle texture. Plus they cook really fast. It takes like hot water and they're ready to go. These also count as a vegetable. So it counts towards the 3 greens of our meal. So we've got our lean and our greens, and then we get to eat it. It's amazing, so delicious. Now, because I am going for the dairy-free option, sadness, allergic to dairy still, I'm going to be using dairy substitutes, but for this, light butter and Parmesan cheese, go for it, rock it. All of this heads over to the stove, and we just basically throw it all in the same pan, and it gets amazing. So, I'm super hungry. Let's get into this recipe.
Yeah!
All right, Sharky, shark spot. Chicken noise. Okay. So this recipe goes together very quickly. We have to turn the pan onto a medium-high heat. And then we kiai in the butter. Kiai! That actually went in. All right.
Now for this one, because I am doing dairy free, this is oat butter made with oat milk. You know how you make oat milk? You put a bunch of oats in water, blend it, and then strain out the oats. That's oat milk. Okay, now that it's hot, we're gonna add in our garlic because we love garlic on the show. I don't think we've made a single recipe without it yet. So, yeah. Garlic gets 30 seconds all to itself. Get stinky and delicious. Our garlic is all heated up and ready to go. So, double ki, shrimp, zucchini, not the other way around. Ki! All they have to do is get hot. So, tossing them in there. Garlic's already in it. Give it a toss. Making these noodles is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1, put them in the bowl. Well, technically it's like a giant colander. Ki. 2, boil the water. It just did. 3, pour the water on the noodles. Ready, Sharky? Yay! That's it. And now they're hot. Now we have to add the other noodles because they're already hot from the water. So we just toss them in. Ki! Quick stir. I'm going to use the tongs. Break up the noodles. Look, I'm cooking. And we are good to go. Turn off the heat. Everything is ready. Now we have to just plate it up. Oh yeah, and add the cheese and the parsley. What do you think, Sharky?
I love it. Can we eat it yet?
No, it's not ready.
Well, get ready then.
Ki. Smells good. All right, you sit there. Amazing. Goes together super quick. Now we have to add our cheese. Ki. And for decoration and a little bit of flavor, parsley. Oh, no, we're just going the Sensei Alexis way. Ki! Yes, that is how we do it. There, we artfully decorated. Perfect. Awesome. And that's it. It goes together super quick, doesn't take much cooking, smells amazing, and healthy noodles, right? Fat-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, and they're a vegetable. Craziness. It's amazing. So now I need a fork. Let's grab a fork and then we can taste it. Ki. Time for the moment of truth. Stay, Sharky. Okay. Delicious veggie and shrimps. Here we go. Oh dear. I feel like I'm gonna get this on me. No! Twirling the zucchini noodles. Just like regular noodles. That was a long one. Okay, I think we got it. We're under control. Ready? Yum, 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 yum. Delicious. I loved it. It was so good. Just what you're thinking of when you think shrimp scampi. Mwah! 10 out of 10. Definitely make it again. Super fast to throw together. And because we have the mix of zucchini noodles and our healthy noodles, we've got all of our greens covered and noodle flavor. If you try this recipe, please let us know how it turned out. And don't forget, you can swap out the protein. I don't really know what it would be if you don't put shrimp in scampi, but you know,
it could be something else. And if you want to, you can swap out healthy noodles for a complete serving of zucchini noodles or other squash. Just mix it in, cooks up great, and it's very delicious. Plus, squash is in season now. There's so much squash going on. Delicious. Love it. So good. What did you think? You can't have any, you're fabric, but if you could eat it, you would love it. Oh my goodness. Don't forget, you have a chance to win our gray and green Sharky by leaving a comment on the YouTube video by midnight on Sunday Pacific time, and you can come all the way to your house. Rah! Shark attack. I had such a great time with you today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and like I said, if you give it a try, let us know how it turned out. I look forward to cooking with you again next time on the next episode of Karate Chat. Random kick! These also count as a vegetable, so it counts towards your greens for this shit. What happened? My brain shorted out.
Making these needles? These are not needles. These are noodles. Apparently that's how I cook. Is when I stir things and when I adjust the temperature of the stove. That's how I know I'm cooking. Although it seems like everything is cooked on medium-high heat, so why do they have any other options anyway?
Alright. Why